issued a flash flood warning for Cumberland County in central North Carolina until 8:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Sand Hills. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen today, with additional heavy rainfall approaching the Fayetteville area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fayetteville, Fort Bragg, Godwin, Hope Air Force Base, Hope Mills, Spring Lake, Eastover, Stedman, Weed, and Falcon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. And now taking a look at the